Hello everyone to Within the Flow. This is your host Bilal, and in this video we are going to learn how to add products to Shopify store, how to use Oberlo to import products, and how to create product collection in Shopify store. So to add product on Shopify store, first you need to install Oberlo app from Shopify app store. To do so, just click on the apps option, then click on Shopify app store. In the search box, write Oberlo, find Oberlo in app store. Then click add app. When you click add app, this will take you to your Shopify dashboard. Scroll down and click install app. Once you install the app, you will have the access of Oberlo dashboard. All your imported products will come here first, then you can import them to your Shopify store. To add products in Oberlo app, you need to download Oberlo Chrome extension. To download Chrome extension, you need to go to Chrome Web Store. Just open Chrome Google Web Store, new tab, and search for Oberlo extension. Click add to Chrome option. Now to add product to your store, just go to Aliexpress and search for the product that you want to add. Like here I'm writing laptop table for bed. Tick on orders option to sort the list by most products sold. Click on the product that you want to add. Now all you have to do is click on Oberlo extension and hit add to import list. That's it, the product has been successfully imported to Oberlo dashboard. Now search for a different product that you want to add, like here I search for mousepad. Again, view the list by order wise. Go to the page of the product you want to add. Then hit Oberlo extension and add to your import list. After the products are imported, go to Oberlo dashboard to see the import list. Here are the products that we recently added. To add these products on your Shopify store, just click import to store. Now you can check the product on your Shopify store list. Added the product title and description to make it your product. The title is auto generated from Aliexpress, so you need to add yours. You can also remove the image that you do not want to add in your product variants. To set the pricing, click on added option, add your pricing, and you can also add the compare price if you want to give any discount. Scroll down and select the country in which you want to sell. Then you have to repeat the same process to edit each variant. Now move to the next product and repeat the same process again. Change the title and description. Then save the settings. After that, set pricing by editing variants. Select country of origin and then save the changes. Now preview the product to see if there is any changes required that we might have missed. And yes, there you can see we need to edit color and shipping option. I would recommend to not show that the product is coming from China. Change the option to the country in which you are selling. It will surely gain the confidence of the customer that the product is coming from the right place. Everything looks good. Now it is time to create product collection on Shopify store. Product collection is basically creating a product category. To do so, just click on the product option, add title, and select manual product collection. Now scroll down and save it. So far I have added two products, so I'm creating two collections. One is for laptop and the other is for mousepad. Follow the same process and your product collection is done. Now go to the product list and assign the product in their designated collection. As I'm adding laptop stand in laptop table collection and mousepad in mousepad collection. So you can check the product in your product collection list. As you start adding more products, then it would add in your designated collection list. So that's it from my side. I hope you learned what you came for. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to learn more amazing tips about e-commerce industry, product hunting, Shopify dropshipping, Amazon FB, and much more. So I guess I'll see you next video. Until then, goodbye.